Hello students, I am Priyanka Chaudhary from RBNB College, Srirampur. We are going to study 11th Science Physics chapter number 7. Name of the chapter is Thermal Properties of Matter. So in last lecture we have studied about the thermal expansion, and in thermal expansion there are total 3 coefficients of thermal expansion. First coefficient is coefficient of linear expansion. Second coefficient is coefficient of aerial expansion. And the third coefficient is coefficient of volume expansion. Now, these 3 coefficients are denoted by alpha, beta and gamma respectively. Now in this lecture we are going to find the relation between coefficients of expansion, that is the relation between alpha, beta and gamma. So first we will find the relation between beta and alpha. So first we will find the relation between beta and alpha. So to find this relation we have to consider a square plate. So first we will consider a square plate . So now in this square plate, the length of the square plate at 0 degrees Celsius is L0. So L0 is length at 0 degree Celsius. Similarly, the length of the square plate at T degree Celsius is denoted as LT. So LT is the length of the square plate at T degree Celsius. Now we know that the relation of coefficient of linear expansion is given as this is the equation from the coefficient of linear expansion. LT is equal to L0 in bracket 1 plus alpha T. Now if we assume that the area of this square plate at 0 degree Celsius is A0, so if area of square plate at 0 degree Celsius is denoted as A0. Similarly, the area at T degree Celsius is denoted as AT. Then we can write here L0 square is A0. A0 is the area of square plate at 0 degree Celsius. So it is the length. So length square is equal to the area. So we can write A0 is L0 square. Now from this equation we can find out the area of square plate, which is given as AT is equal to LT square. So area of square plate at T degree Celsius is equal to length of the square plate at T degree Celsius square, which is equal to L0 in bracket 1 plus alpha T square. So L0 square and 1 plus alpha t bracket square. Now here we know that L0 square is nothing but A0. So here we can substitute A0. So the equation can be written as AT is equal to A0 in bracket 1 plus alpha t bracket square. Now we have to compare this equation with the beta, then we can find the relation between the beta and alpha. So we know that the area which consider for the coefficient of areal expansion is given as AT is equal to A0 in bracket 1 plus beta t. Now by comparing these two equations, we can write, so LHS is AT, A0 is common, so we can write here 1 plus beta t is equal to 1 plus alpha t bracket square. So now we will square this bracket. So what we have, 1 plus beta t is equal to 1 plus 2 alpha t plus alpha square t square. We know that the coefficient of linear expansion alpha is very small, so alpha square t square can be neglected. So it can be neglected. So from this equation, 1 is same, so we can cancel this one. Beta t is equal to 2 alpha t, so we can write here, therefore beta is equal to 2 alpha. That is, the relation between these two coefficients are, the coefficient of areal expansion is equal to 2 times coefficient of linear expansion. So we have find out the relation between beta and alpha. Now the second relation that we have to find is in between gamma and alpha. Now we have to find the relation between gamma and alpha. So to find the relation between gamma and alpha, we will consider a cube. So consider a cube. So this cube has a length L0 at 0 degree Celsius and length LT at T degree Celsius. Then the volume of this cube is given by V0 is the volume of the cube at 0 degree Celsius and Vt is the volume of the cube at T degree Celsius. Now by using the equation for coefficient of volume expansion, we can write here, so the coefficient of linear expansion is given as LT is equal to L0 in bracket 1 plus alpha t. Now the volume at a 0 degree Celsius is given as V0, so we can write L0 cube is equal to V0 because volume is equal to the length cube. So now from this equation we will find the volume at T degree Celsius. So Vt is equal to LT cube. That is the volume of cube at T degree Celsius. So it is equal to, now we have to take cube of this. So L0 cube in bracket 1 plus alpha T bracket cube. Now we know that L0 cube is nothing but V0. So therefore Vt is equal to V0 in bracket 1 plus alpha T bracket cube. Now similarly we have the relation from coefficient of volume expansion as Vt is equal to V0 in bracket 1 plus gamma T. Now by comparing these two equations, we can write here 1 plus gamma T is equal to 1 plus alpha T bracket cube. So now we will take cube of this bracket. So we have 1 plus gamma T is equal to 1 plus, we have to take cube root of this. So we have 3 alpha T, then we can write plus 3 alpha square T plus alpha cube T cube. So we have this equation, that is Vt equal to V0 in bracket 1 plus gamma T. Now from this equation we can write here, we can compare these two equations. So here we have 3 alpha T plus 3 alpha square T. So by comparing these two equations, we can write here, this is 3 alpha T. Therefore 3 alpha T is equal to gamma T, that is gamma is equal to 3 alpha. So this is the relation between gamma and alpha. And we have also find out the relation between beta and alpha, which is beta equal to 2 alpha. Now by combining these two relations, we can write here, so by combining these two relations, we can write alpha equal to beta upon 2, which is equal to gamma upon 3. So this gives us the relation between 3 coefficients of expansion, that is thermal expansion, alpha coefficient of linear expansion, beta coefficient of areal expansion, and gamma, it is the coefficient of volume expansion. So this is about the relation between coefficient of expansion. Next point we will study in next lecture. Thank you.